Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the respiratory disorders. Here, the abnormal function of the respiratory organs leads to the considered as respiratory disorders. There are few disorders are given here. Those are asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, pneumonia, and some are the occupational disorders. Here, asthma is a chronic disorder which is caused by the inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Here, spasms of smooth muscles of the bronchi and bronchioles are inflamed. When these bronchi and bronchioles are inflamed, it leads to the difficulty in breathing. The symptoms are high cough and wheezing, etc. Second one is emphysema. Emphysema caused by the damage of alveolar valves. Here, when alveolar valves are inflamed, lungs show larger but few of the alveoli. So here, the exchange of gases is decreased, and majorly it is caused by the smoking of tobacco. Next one, bronchitis. Bronchitis caused by the inflammation of bronchi. So the mucous lining of bronchi is inflamed. When bronchi are inflamed, the high thick mucus is secreted into the respiratory tract. So symptoms are the cough with the mucus. Next one, pneumonia. Pneumonia caused by the Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria and certain viruses, fungi, protozoans and mycoplasms. So here, alveoli are affected by the bacteria. When these alveoli are affected by the bacteria, there is large quantity of mucus is secreted into the lungs. So this leads to the impaired exchange of gases. If untreated of pneumonia, human beings leads to the death. So here, asthma, emphysema and bronchitis, these three disorders are called as COPDs. That means chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. Next one, occupational disorders. So these disorders are exposure to the body of unwanted substances which are inhaled. So here, asbestosis, silicosis, siridosis and black lungs are the occupational disorders. Occupational disorders means who people work in the industries or any certain factories. In that factories or industries, there are different types of dust particles are enter into the atmospheric air. When people inhale the dust particles, the respiratory tracts will be damaged or inflamed by the dust particles. So here, asbestosis, silicosis, siderosis and black lungs are some are the occupational disorders. Asbestosis caused by the explosion of the asbestos dust. Asbestos is caused by the explosion of asbestos dust. Next one, silicosis is caused by the inhale of silica dust. Inhale of silica dust. That means who people works in the sand mines. These sand dust particles are enter into the respiratory tract, and these particles are leads to the abnormal function of the respiration is called silicosis. Next one, siderosis. This disorder is caused by the inhale of iron particles. Inhale of iron particles. Next one, black lungs. This disorder is caused by the inhale of coal dust.